We're gonna go get some meat for the freezer.
Yep.
This is my first evening hunt, so we're gonna go on our tree stand right now. What time is it?
It's 4:10.
4:10. So here we go.
Just making sure that this is a sharp one.
Just smoked a doe. Yeah. I'm shaking so bad. This is so much fun. Alright, Ange, what did you do?
Okay, we just got a decent little doe. She came in with 2 other small ones. She was definitely way more skittish. She kept on running away for a little bit and coming back. This is our first doe, our first deer that we're hopefully going to recover on this property since we bought it. I want to get a doe out my system before we start hitting some, trying to go for some bucks that we're seeing on our cell cameras here. But she was a decent sized doe, nothing huge.
Enough to put meat in the freezer?
Yeah, we got some meat in there.
I have never seen a dead deer in person from hunting. Yeah, he has.
So I think literally she came from where you were, maybe darted over this way. So here's the blood right here.
Oh my gosh. Cool. Good job, man.
Thanks.
Good job, Gary.
I didn't bleed much there. Beautiful shot. Oh, sweet. Can I see my phone real quick?
I just wonder where it came through at.
I think it probably popped right in and just leaped into here and died.
Heck yeah, guys.
Cool.
Thanks.
It is so foggy, I can barely see anything with a flashlight.
But right now I am going to the barn and getting the side-by-side, and they have the doe all gutted and everything, so we're gonna go pick it up. We're in. Do you want to tell them about the experience?
Yeah. We shot a doe, and that was the first one off of our property.
First one I've ever seen being killed.
Yeah, first one that Lindsay has seen shot and tracked and recovered. So it was good. It was cool. I've shot a lot of doe in my life, so it was pretty straightforward. But she ran about 40 yards. We were getting a little nervous because there was no blood, hardly whatsoever. We seen a couple drops. Outside of the arrow, we didn't pick up blood for about 20 yards, and then just a couple drips.
And
Nothing.
then there was 100% rain coming, and we're like,
yeah,
no.
so we were kind of pressed for time. And then my dad actually just picked his head up and started looking around, and just found her laying there. So really minimal blood, and which was a little bit crazy. So besides that, it was good. We're gonna take it to the processor, and we're gonna get all like venison sticks and jerky made out of her. Really, it was just to get the doe out of the way and get some meat, or jerky, that is, for us. And now for the rest of the season, I won't shoot any more does unless I fill my buck tags. So we're gonna really kind of clamp down. Lindsay can for sure shoot does once she gets comfortable enough to go out hunting. She just got her tags and she's ready to go. So
Anyways, if you guys liked this video, you know what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe. We'll have more videos like this. If you liked this hunting style video, let us know in the comments, and we'll keep more vlogs coming. And maybe soon, maybe not, I'll have one of me doing it. So we will see you again next weekend.
bye-bye.